Hello everyone, my name is Rangeli Sierra, you can call me Ray Ray. This is English phonetics and today I'm going to talk about syllabic consonants. Let's start with a definition, and we can say that is a syllable in which a consonant sound stands alone and forms the whole syllable on its own, and it is pronounced without a schwa sound. And we have the Cambridge definition, and it says that is a consonant that is a whole syllable. What we need to know is that English is a Germanic language, and consonants in English, they do have syllabic functions, they do have, let's say, vowel functions that we do not have or share in Spanish. And so what it means is that it is a consonant, however, it's not working as a consonant, it's taking the role of a vowel and then become a syllabic consonant, so as a nucleus of a syllable. We have four consonants in American English that can become a syllabic consonant. We have the liquid ones, the L and R, and the nasal ones, M and N. So let's say that it simplifies syllables where the schwa is followed by one of these sounds. What it means is that when you have a syllable with a schwa sound followed by one of these consonants, you don't need to make the schwa sound. It gets absorbed by the next sound. Now, for a better understanding, I will be explaining some examples. Let's start with the R consonant and the simple word father. This is how it looks in IPA, as you can see in the slide. The thumb position for the TH, the, is with the tip through the teeth, and the position for the R is with the thumb till pulled back. So the thumb position for the schwa sound is the thumb tip down, lightly touching like the back of the bottom front teeth, as in But we don't have to put the thumb tip down into the position for the schwa between these two sounds because the R will overtake the schwa sound. So just go straight from the position for the TH to the position for the R, and it will be like this.
There, there, there.
Not if we try to pronounce the schwa sound between these two, it will sound like this. There. So, and we don't have time for that in father. If you pronounce the word, you can see that you do not place your the tongue tip down while pronouncing it. So now we have the M and the simple word bottom. We have a flat T followed by the schwa but you don't need to try to make the schwa sound. Remember, just go straight into the position for the M, because if you try to pronounce the schwa, it will sound like bottom, and we don't need that. It's just bottom, straight into the position for the M. With the consonant N will be the same. We have the example human. M is a bilabial sound. While I use both my lips, I also start to lift my tongue for the N, and it will sound like men, men, men. If I try to make the schwa sound first or in between, it will sound like this, man, man, which is not necessary. Just go straight into the N sound, and it will sound like men, men, human, human. And finally, we have the L sound. L after a vowel in a syllable is a dark L. And the dark L has a vowel-like sound in it anyway. So to make the dark L, we just need to put the back of the tongue back. For example, we have the word people. We want to go from the P straight into the dark sound, where the tongue is pulling back, not a schwa, because the schwa, in the schwa, like the tongue is neutral, but we don't want that. We want people, people. Before I forget, let's take a look to the sample words. If you look at that little vertical line below some symbols, well, the syllabic consonant, that's called a diacritic. Diacritics are special additional notations that are added to IPA symbols to give extra information about the sounds. That vertical line is a diacritic for a syllabic consonant. So at the end, I just have a few questions for you. So now we have the word rhythm. Rhythm. Can you find the syllabic consonant? Yes, it's the M. Because remember, we have 4 consonants in American English that can become a syllabic consonant. We have the liquid ones, L and R, and the nasal ones, M and N. So next word, we have beaten, beaten. Can you find the syllabic consonant? Yes, is the N. So now, why is the syllabic consonant? Is that when you have a syllable with a schwa followed by one of those consonants, you don't need to make the schwa sound. It gets absorbed by the next sound. And last question. We have 2 words. Do you know which one has a syllabic consonant? Is the second one table? Table. Because it has the dark L and do not pronounce the schwa sound. Table, table, straight into the dark L sound. But camel, camel, you don't say camel, camel, it's camel, camel, with the schwa sound in the second syllable. So that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.